Hey, bro. Sorry. Hey. Let this guy look here, bro. What is it? Move on. Don't move on too much. If they move forward now, don't move forward. Let's carry your camera. Stop pushing. Why? I think the media are not Johan, please. Yes, I will see you. I'm not going to know, but that's the way you say. Please. Why not? Calm down. Ọ̀gbẹ́ni padà wá jáde. This guy, your back, calm down. Okay, let's go. That's the smooth thing here. Don't break it. Don't break it. Give me time. Hey, look at from this point, it's from here. Stop it.
What are you saying? I know what why are you saying?
From here. Only the player, only the player, only the player, only the player, only the player.
Nah, don't put my camera now. I'm not moving now, man. I'm not moving. Don't put my camera now. I'm not on the show. Put my camera.
Officials are heading to their bus so that they hit the presidential villa where they will be presenting the trophy to Mr. President.
Reception, I mean, it's incredible to see how people came out here to receive the girls. It's really amazing. Thank you.
Yeah, awesome. Your voice on the commentary was great.
Thank you. Thank you.
Say something to me.
Hello.
What am I going to say?
How does it feel being 10-time champion of Africa?
What's the mood like? How are you feeling? All right, Desire, you won it as a player. This time around, you were very much busy with commentary duties, but you still saw Nigeria make history by winning the 10th title. How do you feel?
I mean, it's a good feeling. It's a good feeling. I mean, for the first time, you know, from being a player now, I played a different role, having to watch the girls from the stand, you know, analyzing their games and all of that. So it's a really great feeling. And
yes, sir.
it was a lineup that worked. The girls gave us the required results. So kudos to the coach. Yeah, of course. I'm very proud. I'm proud of what the girls did. I'm proud that, you know, now we have a lot of players who can actually step up and give the team the required victory. So it's really a good thing all in all. Kudos to all the players. Well, the way you celebrate is a matter of personal choice, and I mean, there shouldn't be too much energy to that. So however the player chooses to celebrate, we should, you know, encourage them for it. The whole of first half, I was scared, but coming back, I knew 45 minutes. It's a whole lot of time, you know, to turn things around, and that was exactly what Falcons did. Coming back in the second half, they, you know, started playing their game. They showed that they are the real champions. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Well, the importance is clearly shown by the kind of reception you see here today. The kind of people you see here today. The governors are here, the ministers are here, Nigerians are here, the press especially is here in its full glory. It is the kind of passion and happiness with which we are receiving these girls today. On that night, on that day, at that hour in Rabat, those girls didn't play against 11 players, they played against 50,000 passionate fans, screaming and howling at them. And don't forget that it was not just that alone, they went behind against that hostile atmosphere. People don't understand what happened that night. The resilience with which they calmed down, they came back, they seized the game from the first half, from the half of the first half, they seized that game to the end. It shows the true Nigerian spirit. And we must all celebrate them. That's why we're all here today in our full numbers to celebrate them. We must preach this to all sectors of the Nigerian economy, Nigerian polity, that is the true Nigerian spirit that we must continue to display everywhere throughout Africa. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Correspondents are all excited. This is a big deal for Nigeria. These young girls that have just just now, about time see that you come there, see them, honor them, receive them very well now, give them whatever salutation that we need to give them, and from there, the city gate will go to the presidential dinner where President Bola Ahmed is waiting anxiously for them to receive them, to give them the honor that they so much deserve.
Nigerians, we want to know what kind of benefit giving to them.
Well, we'll wait for Mr. President. It's not within my purview to say that, but I know that Mr. President has something in store for them. That he's waiting for them. As soon as we finish from the airport here, we're moving to the city gate. You know, we have a small reception there, and then we move to the presidential villa, where the president will now do the deed. The president is happy, he's waiting. All of us are happy. This is the 10th time. I recall that they were, behind by 2 goals. They came over and then won this trophy for Nigeria. It's a big deal, and all of us are excited. You are excited. We all are. Everyone in this country is, and we're also receiving messages from other African countries showing solidarity, showing hope and happiness with Nigeria. Everyone is even Morocco. We have been told. They're so happy. They lost. They were in tears because we were happy for Nigeria. This is a great thing, and I think that they deserve commendation to people of Morocco for the kind of reception and hospitality that they've given to us while they were there.
So, message to other sports aspects.
Well, the message is that with determination, believe in this country, the kind of show of love of country that these girls have had for this country. If we continue in that direction, sports in Nigeria will go even beyond. The president is determined. They are committed to helping sports to grow, and it's one indication that we are seeing here. More of it is going to come by God's grace.
Thank you very much.